Hello, English 10 students. This is your teacher, Miss Binta Calhoun. This is your video tutorial for our Virtual English 10 Week 7 Personification Capture Sheet. The purpose of this tutorial is to assist you with understanding what is expected of each of your assignment, each of the parts of this assignment. Part 1 of this assignment, Identifying Literary Techniques, is where I would like you to define personification, record my example from the presentation, and create your own example. To do this, you'll need to review the week number 7 personification video tutorial. While viewing the video tutorial, I would like you to create a text box here in concept development and write 3 details about personification that you learned from the Google presentation. Part 2, quick review, is very simple and straightforward. The directions say, identify what is being personified in the following examples. Then say what the message the example of personification sends to the reader. The first box, written in blue, is my example. So if the sample from the text is, as Vincent attempted to park in the crowded lot, his truck kissed the bumper of another car. The example of personification is found in the use of the words kissed the bumper. So in my explanation box, I write, the truck was given the human quality of kissing. The example of personification sends the message that the parking lot was so full that there was no space for the truck to park without lightly bumping into another car. This explanation does 2 things. It identifies the use of personification, and then it explains what the message is that use of figurative language sends to the reader. You will continue to do that with the following 5 cells in this particular Part 2 quick review. In Part 3 analysis, you are expected to read the excerpts from Richard Wright's Black Boy. Then you are expected to complete the task in the right-hand column. Black Boy, written by Richard Wright. The passages below are excerpts from Black Boy. In these passages, Richard speaks of the paining hunger he experiences from his early childhood and as it transposes through his adolescence. For this portion of your personification capture sheet, I am asking that you highlight all examples of personification in yellow. So you're going to use your markup tool and make it yellow and highlight all of the examples of personification. Then what I would like you to do for number 2 is answer these questions. The speaker says that hunger had always been more or less at my elbow when I played. In 3 sentences, please answer this question. What insights do we gain about the speaker's life from this statement? Once you have completed your answer of a minimum of 3 sentences, you are complete. I want to remind you that it is your responsibility to read all 3 sections, and the goal of our work this week is to look at how personification allows for readers to have a more refined experience with the literature. Good luck, and I hope to see all of your work as soon as possible. As always, email me at Fatima_B_Calhoun at mcpsmd.org with any questions.